Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best CPUs, or GTX 1060, that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Deal4Go CPU and GPU graphics cooling fan, 5F10R4014. Now, this is a bit of a niche product, specifically designed for Lenovo Legion laptops like the Y7000 and Y530 series that are equipped with GTX 1060 or 1050 GPUs. If you're dealing with overheating issues or a noisy fan, this replacement kit could be your lifesaver. The build quality here is reliable, with stainless steel construction and a 4-pin connector providing stable power. It spins at a maximum speed of 2,500 RPM. Ensuring efficient cooling while maintaining a low noise level of just 30 decibels. This makes it a great choice for users who prioritize quiet operation. However, keep in mind that this product is a replacement part for specific laptop models, so it's not a standalone cooling solution for custom PCs. While it's not a gaming performance product like the others on this list, it plays a critical role in ensuring your GTX 1060 equipped laptop runs smoothly. The downside is its very limited compatibility. If you don't own one of the specified Lenovo laptops, this product won't be of any use to you. But for those who do, it's an affordable and effective fix for thermal management issues. At number 4, we have the Xeon GeForce GTX 1050 Ti gaming graphics card. While this isn't technically a GTX 1060, it's worth mentioning for budget-conscious users looking for a solid alternative. This 4GB GDDR5 card is powered by the Pascal architecture, which delivers reliable 1080p gaming and multitasking performance. The design emphasizes efficiency, with a low-noise 9cm fan and a wide aluminum heatsink for optimal cooling. At just 75 watts power consumption, it doesn't require an external power supply, making it a plug-and-play option for most setups. However, its performance is more suited for casual gaming or office tasks, rather than high-end gaming or VR applications. The GTX 1050 Ti is ideal for users building a budget-friendly system or upgrading an older PC. It's not as powerful as the GTX 1060 options on this list, but for its price point, it's a great value. The only drawback is that it lacks the raw power for demanding modern games at high settings or resolutions beyond 1080p. Coming in at number 3, we have the SR Honora GTX 1060 6GB low-profile graphics card. This card is a fantastic option for users with small form factor SFF systems. It's one of the few low-profile GTX 1060s available, and it offers excellent performance for its compact size. The standout feature here is its design. Measuring just 6.61 inches in length and less than an inch in thickness, it's perfect for tight builds. Despite its small size, it packs 6GB of GDDR5 memory and supports DirectX 12, ensuring smooth performance for gaming and productivity tasks. It even supports up to 8K resolution for video playback, which is impressive for a low-profile card. However, the reduced size does come with some limitations. While it's powerful enough for 1080p and light 1440p gaming, it may struggle with more intensive workloads or modern AAA titles at max settings. That said, if you're working with space constraints, this is one of the best options available. At number 2, we have the GPVH OSO GTX 1060 6GB computer graphics card. This is a fantastic all-rounder for gamers and creators alike. With 6GB of GDDR5 memory and VR-ready features, it's built to handle both demanding games and creative workflows with ease. The dual-fan cooling system ensures the card stays cool during intense gaming sessions, and the versatile connectivity options, HDMI and dual display ports, make it a great choice for multi-monitor setups or VR devices. It also supports 8K HDR, which is a nice bonus for users working with high-resolution content. The only downside is the lack of included accessories, such as a 6-pin power cable, which you'll need to prepare in advance. But overall, this card offers excellent performance and versatility, making it a solid choice for most mid-range gaming or creative setups. And finally, at number 1, we have the GPV HOSO GTX 1060 6GB graphics card. This is the ultimate choice on our list, offering the best balance of performance, cooling, and versatility for a GTX 1060. Whether you're gaming, working on creative projects, or diving into VR, this card delivers an outstanding experience. With 6 GB of GDDR5 memory, it offers smooth 1080p performance and even handles 1440p gaming in many titles. The dual cooling fans and optimized thermal design ensure that the card stays cool and performs consistently under load. It also supports DirectX 12 and comes with versatile connectivity options, including HDMI, DVI, and DisplayPort. The combination of high performance, efficient cooling, and robust build quality makes this card the standout winner. While it might not be the cheapest option, its superior performance and reliability make it well worth the investment for gamers and professionals alike. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.